Hey everyone, it's Anne here from English Valley Cafe. Welcome to this English lesson. I am super excited to share these two very useful daily expressions with you that you're going to hear a lot. And I hope that by the end of this video, you'll understand the difference and how you can use them as well. All right, so we're going to be talking about got it and I got it. They're off by one word, right? Just the I, but they mean very different. So we're going to talk about when you can use these two expressions today. Before we get started, just a friendly reminder, if you've been watching my lessons and you're finding it useful, make sure you subscribe and tap on that bell icon so that you get a notification when I upload new lessons every week. All right, are you ready? Let's dive into this lesson. So our first expression is I got it. I got it. And we're going to connect got it together. So it's going to sound like got it, got it, I got it, I got it. Now we could use I got it in different situations. So for example, if you're at home and somebody rings the doorbell, ding dong, and you might say, oh, I got it. That means that I'll open the door for the person. So I got it. Another situation that we commonly use I got it and even got it is when we have something in our hand and we want to hand it over to somebody and we want to make sure that they have it, that they don't drop it. So imagine I just got home from the grocery store. I bought a lot of groceries. I have a bag of grocery in my hand. I have milk in my other hand and maybe something underneath my armpit here. So I have a lot of things in my hand. And you see me, so you come over and you want to help me. So I might hand you the bag of grocery and I might ask you, got it? Okay, got it? So here notice that my intonation goes up because I'm asking you, got it? Like, do you have it? Is it secured in your hand? And because I don't want you to drop it. So you can answer me and say, I got it. Okay, I got it. That means that you can let go and I have the thing in my hand. So don't worry about it. I won't drop it. Okay, I got it. Another meaning of I got it means to have something. So for instance, let's say you've been eyeing this pair of sunglasses for a long time. You're waiting for it to go on sale. So finally, you got this, you bought it. So you might tell your friend, hey, I got it. That means that you have it. I bought it. We could also use I got it to say, let me handle the situation or let me handle it. So imagine you're at a party and somebody accidentally knocked over a bowl of sauce. So you have sauce all over the table. So you might say, I got it. I got it. That means that I'll take care of it. Let me handle it. I will clean up the mess. So I got it. Lastly, we can say I got it when you have figured out how to do something. So let's say I'm trying to put together a chair and I have a screw and I'm trying to put into a metal piece. But for some reason, it's not fitting. It's not going through. So I'm reading the manual and I'm trying different things to get it to go through. And finally, it went through. I can say, I got it. I got it. So notice here, I'm saying it with a little bit of excitement, like, I got it. All right, so that means that I did it. I figured it out. Now, before we go on and talk about got it, I want to point out, have you noticed how my intonation changed when I was saying I got it in different situations? So in the last situation where I was really excited when I figured out how to do something, my intonation went up at the end. So I said, I got it. Okay, I got it. Whereas in the example where I want to let the other person know that I have the thing in my hand, don't worry about it, I'm not going to drop it, my intonation kind of went down a little bit towards the end. So I said, I got it. Okay, I got it. So notice how that intonation changes depending on the situation that you're saying, I got it. All right, now let's go on and talk about got it. So here again, the pronunciation is got it, got it, got it. Now this is a little bit different than I got it. When we say got it, we're telling the person, whoever asks us to do something, like saying, okay, I understand, I will do it. Okay, so oftentimes, like at work, if your supervisor, your boss, or even your coworker asks you to do something like send them an email or send them a photo of something, and you want to let them know, I got your email, I received your message, and I will do it, you can say, got it, got it. Okay, and so that means like, okay, I will do it. Other similar expressions to got it that you might also hear people say is will do. Okay, will do. So if your coworker asks you, hey, can you resend that email to me? I didn't get it. You can reply and say, will do. Okay, will do. Now, what if you're assigned to do something, like you're assigned a task, but you agree to help, but you're just not that happy about doing it, you're not that enthusiastic, you're not willing to do it, but you agree to do it. You might say, I suppose so. Okay, I suppose so. So that means that yes, I will help you, but I'm not that enthusiastic about it. I'm not that willing to do it. All right, so got it and I got it. These are very two simple expressions, but they're very useful vocabulary that we use in daily situations. I hope you find this video useful. If you have other questions about expressions or phrases that you hear in daily conversations that you don't know what it means or you're not sure what to say in certain situations, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me for this lesson. I will see you in the next video.